Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how the mastery verification system works in Heartopia, because a lot of players get confused when they receive their first verification notification. So guys, basically the mastery verification track how many times you've collected, caught, grown, or crafted specific item. This includes fish, insect, birds, crops, flowers, recipes, and more. Once you reach the required amount for an item, you will receive a verification certificate in your mailbox, unlocking the first mastery tier for that item. After that, you can open your collection and check the progress for the higher mastery tiers. Keep collecting the same item to increase your verification level. Every tier requires a larger amount than the previous one, so it becomes a long-term goal rather than something you finish in a single day. As you reach higher verification, guys, you'll unlock exclusive rewards like decorative trophies, display items, and other collectibles that you can place inside your home to show off your achievements. And I'm going to show you this ocean cleanup mastery verification. You will reach the mastery verification after you collect more and more seashells like this. For example, this is the mastery verification for the seashell, the silver clam. And I need to reach 40 collection, but now I still reach 32, so I need 8 for these seashells, and after that I'll receive this furniture. It's like certificate or like frame with this seashell in it, and yeah, just like that. And these rewards are based on the total quantity you've collected, guys, not on the star quality on the item. And if you're trying to complete your mastery collection, don't worry about catching only 5-star items. Just keep farming the same item consistently, and your verification progress will continue to increase over time. Okay guys, and that's everything you need to know about the mastery verification system in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, guys, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!